So, what are homeowners really worried about right now? Well, I've learned they're not worried about the statistics. They're worried about questions like, did I miss the peak? Is this the bottom of the market? Should I sell now or buy now or wait? What will prices do in the next 5 years? Well, if you're raising a young family or looking for a smart 5 year investment, you need to hear this podcast and discover why today's market is offering some of the best home buying, wealth building opportunities I've seen in decades and decades. Now, if you're a senior, should I downsize? You're getting close to retirement. The question may be, how do I protect my wealth over the next 5 years? So yes, we've seen markets drop from the peak right around 31%. And is this the bottom? We don't, I'm going to show that all to you. This podcast is showing you the changing market, the investment shifts, and the strategies that many Canadians are now considering to protect their future. Young families and retirement. Okay, so this report's not just about the market, it's about your next 5 years. So right now, let's go over the market a little bit. Now, listen, I've been doing this for 43 years, and I just want to show you the sell-through rates in every city, and I'm avoiding it. I'm trying so hard not to overwhelm you with data, but inventory levels are high across the lower mainland. The highest I've pretty much seen in over 20, 40 years. And sales are fair. We're okay, you guys. We're just steady. Okay? So, in a few areas, they're showing strength. Fort Langley, Walnut Grove hit a 20% sell-through rate. But much of the rest of the valley is just hanging in there. We've actually hit a fairly stable period. But places like West Surrey, North Delta, they're still sitting at a 7% of the homes are selling, mean 93% did not sell this month. That is terrible. It's not crashing. Maybe they can still squeak down another $5,000 or $10,000 this month, but it's actually pretty much become stable. Listen, the buyers are super cautious right now. We've all seen major job losses across Canada, and BC set the records. What do we have? 17,000 jobs go away last month. It is, people are nervous out there. And we still have a lot of buyers, though. The fact that we have 2 years of pent-up buyers just waiting on the sidelines for confidence to return. Now let's talk about one of the very biggest hidden opportunities in today's market. This is very, very important. So for you, people getting into the market, or young families, or anybody, older homes are usually sitting on a large lot that have redevelopment potential. It may qualify for a duplex, a triplex, or even multifamily, like 5, 7 townhouses on your lot. So today, most of our investors are completely hiding. Okay, they're gone, and that means some fantastic thing is happening for you. These properties are selling for little more than just the value of the old house, or just even lot value. So all of this future redevelopment upside is being given away for free today. So young buyers, this is an extremely rare opportunity. You can buy something with incredible long-term development potential, like it's going to be a condo site, it's going to be townhouses, and you're paying no more than just the straight normal house value. So if you're buying, you can buy this one with no potential and buy this one with crazy big potential for the same price. You need to pick the right one that has huge upside. Okay, now by the way, this is not a quick flip. Our investors out there, they're always looking for, I can make money in the next 2 years. This is a long-term wealth strategy. 3 years for sure, probably 5. You need to think long term. This is the best RSP, mutual fund, GIC mature you're ever going to find ever. Okay, this is incredible. You got to think ahead and protect and build your wealth. Okay, now for your seniors, we're talking about, is this the right time to retire and downsize? So the big question is, where are you going to put your money? How should I diversify? You're trying to protect your equity you've built your entire life. Okay? So some people are moving to Alberta. Others are looking at cash flow investments. They've gone to buying a rental condo with a steady income for the future. Some are just reducing debt and say, if you downsize, you got some money to go play. Go sit in a tropical country and put your feet in the ocean and enjoy it. And others are diversifying their investments into things like gold and silver and mutual funds, etc. Bottom line, I'm not an expert in that, but for the next 5 years is looking a lot different than we've seen in the past. Wasn't too long ago our prices were going up $50,000 a month just on a regular home, and now we'll say we're stable, but it's going to be a 3 to 5 year plan before things would ever change. We need virtually all governments to change for building more jobs, right? I'm here to protect your equity, reduce your risk. And you're asking, is this the time to hold or sell or downsize? I'm here to help you. Maybe diversify your equity to protect yourself. So you call me, text me. I'm happy to help you understand what options there are for the next season in your life, the next chapter. 778-374-3744. Bye-bye for now.